Good day all, my channel Double O Days has been severely affected by the fact that I made two videos concurrently, first in last week and then in this week, specifically speaking about how Koeberg Nuclear Power Station has been spoken of by the mainstream media with very bad information. And I use my words carefully now, and that a lot of what they put out was not true. It was not real because the reporters do not have the technical understanding. And because of that, this channel has been throttled by over 80%. So this has been verified directly. I actually put the numbers into Gemini 3 and it explained to me how a video that got 2,000 views, we normally get 8 to 10,000 views, only got 3,900 impressions. We looked at the amount of comments, we looked at the amount of engagement from you guys, which was excellent. It called it elite support. And I can call you guys elite supporters because that's what you are. You are just the best, probably the best in South Africa if you look at the metrics on the channel. We also confirmed that the channel has been suppressed since 2020 because I actually went back, looked at other videos, gave the stats, and we could see how the algorithms that was used then affected this channel. And it's because the channel speaks out against the government and the mainstream media. And there are biases built in with certain keywords because of that. So at the moment in 2026, everything changed. Now, whatever I say to you is being processed in real time. When I'm doing a live stream and when I place a video is being tracked in real time. Your comments are being tracked in real time. And that is why if there's any comments that are problematic, I have to remove them because the video will literally be shut down. And at the moment, the entire channel is throttled by 80%. So it's quite severe. And the only way for you to see my videos at the moment is to see my video links. So you need to go to Telegram and Facebook where I place the links so that you can see them there. Those are unrestricted and then you can watch the videos from there. So at the moment, my videos will not appear in your feed, especially if it's related to Koeberg because it's a national key point and they believe that ENCA and SABC will give you accurate information, which they have not done. Because the people aren't technical enough. Now, because I'm a nuclear expert, I worked at Koeberg since 1992. I am an authority on the topic at hand. I have been there, seen the HVAC units, seen when the people do Jenny jumping. I understand exactly what is happening. And I am in sidelined when I can give you the expert opinion, and they are suppressing my opinion on that. Now, this video is not about that. It's about the fact that the channel is currently 80% throttled. So for the next week minimum, the throttle will remain in place. It could carry on to 144 hours. So quite a number of days, even more than a week. It could take more than a month for the algorithm to go away. So what I will focus on is doing live streams because that overcomes this. So tonight at 7 o'clock, I will do a live stream before I do my members live at 8:30. And then after that, I will do live streams every evening. Which is much better than me putting out 3 videos yesterday that only gets 3,000 views. And the video I put out yesterday in the morning was on fake intelligence. So I'm not going to use the A word because that's a trigger point. And the moment you speak out against it or anything that has to do with ones and zeros, you are flagged at the moment. And because I've done it so much, I have been super flagged now and the channel is suppressed. So you can help me by liking, subscribing, by commenting underneath the videos. And the other thing that you can do is to watch right through the video. It shows that the audience is very engaged. In the last live stream, the audience was so engaged that YouTube decided to start showing adverts that I don't get revenue for in the comment feed. That is how many comments you guys were putting out. And they can see that we have a most active community and we are looking at ways at the moment actively of taking a lot of this onto our own website, and I will announce more with regards to that in future. Thanks so much for watching. And just know, you guys are awesome. You're doing an awesome job. Keep doing that. It's the only thing that is promoting this channel is your links that you share everywhere on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Telegram is making the difference. That's the only reason we're getting views, and we actually have the proof in the stats. Thanks so much. Till the next video.